Hey guys, it's Eric, owner of Farpoint Farms here in the mountains of North Carolina. And today is kind of a sad day. It's time for my little 88 Yugo GB to move on to another home. And I'm kind of happy to report that it's going to a Yugo fanatic, I would say. The gentleman that purchased this vehicle has owned 2 Yugos in his life and decided it was time to purchase another one and to have it and drive it on the weekends, kind of like what I've been doing. Now, if you've been following my channel, I purchased this thing right at the end of October, right around Halloween. So it's been about 10 months. It's, 11 months. It's September now. So we almost got to spend a year together, which is, to be honest, a little longer than I usually hang on to the cars that I flip, the restorations that I do during the winter time. But I really enjoyed this car, and I felt like it was something I wanted to hang on to. I even considered keeping it permanently, but it's not who I am. I like to take cars that were probably getting real close to hitting a junkyard, fix them back up, and turn around and pass them on to people who can enjoy them. Maybe not as mechanically minded as me, but people who appreciate and enjoy the oddball cars out there. So anyway, we put just shy of about 3,000 miles on this car in those 11 months, and it's been a good time. I've met a lot of people, talked to a lot of folks, both on YouTube but also in person. You can't drive this car without having somebody stop you or pull up alongside of you at a light and ask you, is that really a Yugo? I honestly feel like this car is more recognizable than some sports cars are. You're going to get more comments on it. So it's been a good time with Vlad, as I call him. And I hope that the new owner enjoys him as much as I have. But say goodbye to the Yugo, everybody. It was a great project. And who knows, got some ideas for what I'm going to do this winter. It's time to already start looking. Part of me wants to look at camper vans. Part of me is looking at old rabbit trucks again. But who knows? I'm still thinking about maybe doing a Geo Metro convertible if I can find a decent one. A lot of options out there for the winter. But stay tuned, because at Farpoint Farms, you just never know what you're going to get. I'm Eric. I'll see you next time. Take care.
There's always something that needs a little fixing on Farpoint Farms. Freedom is mighty sweet.